Hi guys, it's Janita. How you guys doing? Well, welcome back to my channel everybody. Today I just want to share with you my cookies. I got hungry for something sweet, so I decided to bake some peanut butter cookies. Just have something to snack on for the week. Good old delicious peanut butter cookies. Tell me something, you guys. How many of y'all remember going to school in home economics class, having home economic class, and you had to make peanut butter cookies? That's what I remember about the 8th grade. When I was in 8th grade, when I went to high school, we always had to make peanut butter cookies, and I remember tacos too. Those are the things that I really remember us always making. Peanut butter cookies. If y'all remember doing anything like this in school, let me know in the comments. But that's all I wanted to do, was come in here and share with you guys what I was thinking about having a snack on. Something sweet. Didn't want to go to the store. Had all the ingredients at home. Why not? Bake your own cookies. Okay. Well, that's all I wanted, and I'm going to leave you guys now. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to come and visit me. And I won't forget to visit you guys either. Alright? Okay, bye for now. Thanks for coming. And talk to you guys later. Bon appetit, baby.